Hey guys, we're here today. It's like last week we was in this beautiful high rise on the roof. Now we're back in the trench. You know, it don't matter where it's at, we go to get the job done right. As you can see, there you go, another old dinosaur right here. Look at that pole installation, 2017 York. Thing look crazy, man. Thing look crazy standing next to me right now. Poor installation, man. Look at that electrical box. Poor work, poor workmanship. And so we're here today to make this thing right, man. You know, it's for one of our investors. So we're not going crazy. Expensive train, high end. We're doing something low end. We're gonna do a good man side by side here. Poor work, but we're gonna get it right though. Get it right. As you see the AskForCool units over there. You can see, man, this property is like need a whole new rental, man. This thing is bad. Whole new rental. Look at that. Old kitchen. We in the trenches right here, man. We're in the trenches right now. No matter where the money at, we go. We ain't running from it, we ain't scared of it. This is the return chase right here. But inside here is pretty bad. So as we cut this hole, I'll give you guys a sneak peek of what's going on inside this return box. What people have been breeding. What's going on in here? It's a 3.5 ton. But roughly, that return size, measure that, Roy. Let's measure that return on that 3.5 ton dinosaur.
9 inches.
9 by 18. Crazy, man. Crazy, but we're gonna make all this right. We're gonna make this right. As you can see what we're doing here, we're about to open up this return. Let's get this saw. Make sure no pipes behind there either. Just put your hand up there, make sure no pipes. Now to the back of that drywall. Good? Mm-hmm. Okay. Man, start doing work. So we're gonna take this up. This is actually 20 by 20 right here. So we're gonna take this up to the full 20 by 20 return. Which is still on the size. You know, but we have to give it more. I'll try and go a little higher. Do 20 by 24. Give you guys a little sneak peek of down inside this thing here. Yeah, man, they've been breeding all that. Been breeding that. This is what AskForCool do, man. That's what we do. We ain't gonna leave it like this. No real people gotta come and live in here. Again, investment property, renters about to come in here. This is what we care about. We ain't just doing it and going. See what I'm saying? It's not a quick fix. Gotta be done right so people can have healthy air. That's why we do this. But you see, from before, all this is insulation and dust coming from the attic. Cause those walls over there is open to the attic. As you can see. Sheesh. Wow. I'm gonna get a little closer, man. So someone been living in here. And this is what they've been breeding. So this is what the last, actually, alright, so like I said before, we'll go a little deeper into this return box right here. As you can see, it's dust, insulation. I'm in here, man. I'm in here myself. I'm doing this myself right now. I'm in here. See what I'm saying? Still on this, man. They didn't even say for me. I ain't even have on no mask. But this is how bad it is right now. So this is why we want to make sure when we do a new installation, we address all this issue. See what I'm saying? We address this. I'll try and see if I could get up this wall cavity. Seeing that? That goes all the way up to the attic. So, we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna make all this better. Seal tight. You know, so the new homeowner, renters, you know, they could have some clean air, man. Again, we in the trenches right here, man. We in North Lauderdale, Florida, man. That's where we at, right? North Lauderdale? Yeah. You know. You're in the trenches, but man, homes is in bad shape here, man. This is where you can't, what we call this, man? This is what we call don't care, you know? People don't care. Let's see if I can get close to this return duct. See that done there? That's that return flex coming in. Yeah, we're gonna switch this up though. We're gonna make this right. We're gonna make this right. So originally, when we got in here, originally I was told by the investor, let's make this a quickie. You know, he actually said that. Quick fix, quick job. Get it done for me, Nigel. I need to get this thing rented quick. So sound good, quick fix, all that sound good. But my response is no quick fix. When I seen all this, can't happen. This is not good for your lungs. This is not good. This is not good to breathe in. This is not good for your kids. So a lot of homes here in Florida looks like this, you know. People don't know. They just change the filter, that girl, if they change the filter. But look at this shit right here. Look at that. That's dust. That's dust, man. That's dust. You know, so you really want no quick fix. There's no quickie, man. We gotta get this thing done right. You know, we gotta go deep into the job, man. Get it done right. See what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Shit amazes me sometimes, bro. That's why I love what I do. 'Cause you know what? I can fix this. I can make this thing look so pretty. So pretty. And feel good knowing that we just did good by someone, you know, or for someone, you know. So we gonna get it fixed. We'll be back in the end. Show me that electrical whip, Roy. Show that to me. So this is what supposedly, let me get this right, man. This is what supposedly an HVAC technician did, bro. So we know this is high voltage, right? So this was spliced, wrapped with duct tape, right? and stuck under the unit because he ran out of electrical conduit. So this is what you get from your AC guy. You know that guy you call, you find on Facebook Marketplace? So what you get. This is a safety hazard right here. So as you can see, this new Goodman is in place. See how we clean this up. You'll see the finishing touches again. New electrical box going there. Slab need to be extended, so in order to line this up properly, we definitely needed to move this unit over. So we need to extend this concrete pad. We need to extend that. And then you see here, gonna put some rubber pads on this, extend the slab, get it going. Hey guys, we're back here today. Got this package unit all finished up. You can see new disconnect box, 45 amp disconnect box for this unit. See this Goodman is running. Extension of the precast slab right here. Unit's a little longer than the older unit. You know, we got a hurricane coat tied on in place. We use some isolation pads to get this unit leveled up. There we go. Our electrical whip, as you could see before, from before, this is how this is run. Went straight into the unit. We're all set here. We keep the sheet metal off the ground, so it's all sheet metal on the bottom of this. You know, it's in better shape. Here, as we make our way back to, like I say, we're back inside. It's feeling a lot cooler in here. And this outside is just too hot, but got that grill. This is open up a little more here. And then we look inside here now. So if you look inside here from before, walls, the seal tight, goes all down, the return is wide open down there. You can see. Take a look. All insulated on both ends. So now you can get some clean air in this house, you know. Get some clean air in this home now.